Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Hello. Mr. Cornell, I'm in the home. I'm in the home. What you want? Mr. Cornell, I'm in the home. I am not home. People can't ever sleep in a them bed with them appearing from. I can't bother, you know. Crosses man just a bother. Early man, where you call me from?
So, Miss Renee, what I want to talk to you about. We be getting some complaint about your work ethics. You're coming to work late. You're not taking enough calls. Your hours has been short. And sad to say, if you continue like that, you know what will happen, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have any reason or any explanation for why you're always late?
I'm only late twice.
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 Well, not on the record that I see.
Well,
And you know that we catch on the camera sleeping, you know that, right?
I work late shift and I have early shift in the morning, so of course I'm going to sleep at times.
So who is responsible for the Rasta? Why are they giving you morning and night shift? We don't have enough staff there?
The supervisor that don't like me.
Don't say that, Miss Renee. Don't say that.
But it's the truth, so we all know that.
Don't say that. But just know that I'm giving you a warning now, okay? Don't let it happen again. Don't let me catch you sleeping and your hours are short. You have to put in back the hours. Okay.
Me I walk for my own, now watch how you walk. Big one thing when I chat to school girl. The diamonds really now my links a Cuban. Watch your fake friendship, God them ways are pure.
Driver, I look like I forgot my purse on the bed this morning when I left out.
You know, that style there.
I'm not styling thing,
I'm
man.
not
I
style.
know my thing set already. I see him place and me I get ready to leave your purse on the bed. Remember my stop.
Moment, you know, easy, you know, so you give me that style there already. Don't worry yourself. Every time I that style they catch me.
That's how you deal with me.
No, I'm not deal with the art, but I just a speak out, cause you know, don't know anything, go. The work
Alright,
done,
big
you know. Alright,
Yeah,
respect.
man. Drive safe.
Alright.
Hey, good evening, Miss Renee. You, woman. Hello. Yeah, pass me like you know see me, sir. What's your face? Renee, what go on?
Good evening, Michael.
Yes, good evening. You know what me? You know something to me about my payments.
I not forgot Michael.
What?
But I did give a date, right?
And the date the pass and gone. You
So
go
you
say,
have to load me up on the road.
me not load you up. If me dey load you up, me just say, hey girl, you not carry my money, come give me. And I like say, me I look you, you know. Remember, me not look no sex after you, you know. I just my money me want.
But Michael, if you're the last thing on the earth, I don't want you.
Thank you
so
very much.
that
for
drop in.
Just make sure so me get my money. You understand? My money me want.
Friday. But can I leave now?
Yes, you can
Alright.
leave. Just make sure say Friday no pass.
Just already. Good afternoon. realize I can't stay down at the house somebody. Interesting.
He's a busy woman, but they work every day, 24/7, 44/8.
Oh. So I don't have nothing for them. I just sit down a yard. Yeah, the whole careless boy there. That's all me do.
Mr. Cornwall, is there an end to this story? Come real in for the episode today, please. What you want?
Excuse me. What me want? You know, want me some money.
So, Mr. Cornwall, you'd have to stop me out of some midway. I want to go in. I'm tired. I just come from work and you go bother me about money right now.
So you care which part me stop you? Me can't see a yard. What you expect?
You come when me not there. So how you going to see me?
Oh, I see. So me for walk you down.
Mr. Cornwall, we live in a peaceful community. Not drawing attention right now. Coming in for the excitement.
Mm-hmm. Alright. For your peaceful life, when me can get my money?
Friday.
Friday. I hear Friday for the longest while. Come like your clock stop. 2 months going into 3 months now, Renee. And you expect to just live free, sir? Come on now, man. Me have pity for feed. Me have wife.
Mr. Cornwall.
We don't have no income, man, you know.
With all due respect, sir, I'm not living comfortable. Because you know the house a leak. So when you go talk about 2 to 3 months, you want everybody here, alright, get a mic, call the neighbor them. Embarrass me.
You was leak, but if you don't give me the money, I'm going to fix the house.
So am I renting you live off?
Atrocious. You owe me and I go talk about if I hear rent me I live off.
Alright, get a mic, call the neighbors and tell everybody Serene owe you.
What year, you know? I can't work this other way, you know.
What you mean? You gonna pay the rent for me?
I work a deal.
What kind of deal?
You work with me. I can work with the judge.
Mr. Cornwall, walk with grace. Just step one. You not just say you have a wife. What you mean work? Hey, God go with you. Come in and know where you take me. You think you're one of them careless girls there?
Oh,
so because you see young girl, you believe so you're going to fling nobody here?
You need help. I can help you. Me the man for the
Friday you get your rent.
What time Friday?
It doesn't matter the time. At 24 hours in a day.
Well, 23:59. Hear that? Bright and feisty. 23:59. That more you know.
Dirty man, yeah. So me a bun up. I'm watching them at work. Oi! Hey, dirty JP, oi! I really you cut me light, sir?
I don't mean it, mama. I work.
They ain't work with them.
Yeah, but I have to do for get paid.
You know family.
Yeah, but everybody
Like
have
that
family.
here, yeah, though.
Yeah.
And you cut my light, I'm coming from work tired and hot and thirsty. I can't watch my TV, I can't turn on my fan. No.
I tell you, say still no, man. I really mean I work.
You can't do something for me. Give me till about next Friday. You don't feel like you can give me till next Friday.
According to this paper, yeah, about 4 Friday gone now.
I just come from work, I'm tired. I want to sleep. I can't turn on my fan. I can't watch TV. Just tell them Friday, no? Friday.
I tell you, no, mama. I don't mean I work.
Say no word, then I can't tell him say Friday when I come pay it, man. The JPS, man. JPS.
I just time, wait my time and I cry. So my time for the rise. Job by my side, me a fight. All of the hate, me a smile.
Tongue?
Renee,
Yeah?
girl in the room.
No, I'm not the one.
What do you mean by in the room? I did get in a pee down there, so.
The gate.
Yeah.
But I reach home till the next hour time. When I come home, I call you.
Alright, I go for my business later.
Alright, Gally. Man, I want to none of that, this, you know. I'm tired of it, man. If I ever put street light. Rotted. Basically, I want for your outside light. At least. Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, man, so as me not tell you, it's a studio.
Yeah.
But how you go?
You hear somebody attack?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Yeah,
have an
boy.
excuse.
I mean, appearing for you to always remember that.
You're a parent. When last appearance, sir?
Mr. Cornwall, make peace reign. Good God of grace. At night time, I mean, I try relax my mind, make peace reign. When you feel like you're going to pass, go up here, start, yes, to me appearing for you. Not have the right to walk up and down my place.
Are your place or my place?
Oh, I'm paying rent for the place.
When last, you know, for about 3 months now?
Oh, wow. So where you going about it? Where you going about
Come
it?
here, sir.
Where you go? Where you go?
Got it.
I wonder if you
Yes,
know
I
what
want
say.
to put hand for woman in.
And you can't do that.
Me even know what I'm going to say. How can I
God,
spell
you
it?
see, no? You see and you know, no?
You have to wait until I find someone for you to put me out. So I don't know where you go with your hook up
I
and
don't know how I coach you, no? So you think I started working at this place, yeah?
Alright,
Are the judge control this?
Here we go on, I'm in the argument. Just turn back round and go out through the gate.
I ask you kindly if you just step aside, make sure that...
Step aside and show who. When my things them in there so me appearing for, you lose it.
General, I'm sure your place. I don't know what I'm going to say.
This is going to go down in history now. I can just sense it in the devil saying you coming now.
I'm ready for it. Any
Just
day,
remember,
I'm
if
ready
the devil
for
say you
it.
come, you book up on God, because it's a God pitney.
Stop use God's name in vain. Just turn around and go through the gate. Now your pressure, drink some water, go through the gate.
General, man, move, because I like that vibe there now.
Oh,
You know what?
You come
No,
home and
she
come
not go always
show
there.
them
No.
place.
She not go always there.
Yeah, but until then, I'm
So,
around here, so.
Tomorrow's
You
a good
can't
day.
get me
If I hear
out.
place should not go on some G. So I don't know.
Where you sell money? You're famous like for 15 minutes now. I'm famous your lifetime. Take your
No,
15
me not worry
minutes
when
of
me
fame and
can't
go
pray.
on.
Go through the gate. Might wait you put some steel piece.
Sometimes you see you take up some crosses in that place and the God go on, man. Me don't know what is for me, man.
Hello. Yeah, babes, what going?
Yeah, remember to buy the snacks that we have.
Oh, you know, sir, me not too near to the shop there, you know. But me still can do it for you, man.
So which part you gonna get it then?
You can buy it up a Renee?
Renee? Which Renee? I can't get me not like you talk about your man.
Alright then, me not buy it a Renee then. I find someone I can buy. I find someone I can buy, man. Worry yourself.
Make sure sign up to say you buy it in a car. If you buy it up this so, me not eat that.
Not even if nobody are going to buy from me. Rotty, them not go late for work. Yo, anything, yeah, man. You can't bother. Anything, what the worst can happen. I know me I hope and I pray somebody come by even one matches, one cake soap. Nobody no want beard, clothes spin. I just shine a light for me, yeah, man. Want something for sell.
Hello, miss. Come right here. Right here, son. What time is it? It's obvious that my time and your time is two different times. What time is supposed to reach our work?
Sir, before you get any further, I can just explain the situation.
No, I want to explain. No. The last time I talked to you very calmly, right? And I tell you, don't make it happen again. Where you couldn't tell me, say, no, make you late.
So I'm practically have to walk from my yard, come and work. I'm left for 2 hours early.
Yeah, then where you live? Where you put on the application when you come look the job here?
Difficulty. You know, we have Hurricane Melissa the other day and the roof did block.
No,
So
tell
I
me
have to
about,
stay with.
don't tell me about no Melissa. If I could have one donkey car to take it and reach you, look for when Melissa pass and gone, eh?
Sir, if you can just let me explain.
No, explain. After me take my precious time and talk to you the other day and tell you, say, stop, come and work late. This is what you do?
But you're not offered with OTA, start embarrassing people that look through
You're
them
lucky.
window.
You're lucky. You know the reason why I stand up. I don't want you on the compound. That is why I stand right here like a principal waiting on a late student.
Sir, I'm already late. Can I just pass?
No, I will give you a pass. This is a pass. Your pass for not coming back in there. You graduate right now. Take this. You are now expelled. Sorry, I mean, your service is no longer needed. You can come pick up your 2 week. Miss Renee.
Sir, you could have just emailed that you wanted to cause.
No, I want to give it to you personally because I talked to you personally the other day, sir, and I beg you.
Sir, with all due respect, I'm not your child. Don't point in my face. If you don't want me at the workplace, just tell me. Thanks.
Go along, I'm going to couple you too. A matter of fact, you can never work in this service again. No call center, you can't work again. You're going to get blacklisted. Watch. I check me. All right, the police shall deal with you. It's okay. Watch us.
Termination, you know, fear. You're wicked people, you know. I'm gonna go back home.
Go back to sleep and wake up when it's over. It must be hard having the world on your shoulder while you're high and mighty. Watch we're going down. So turn on your camera for the truth to be found. Between wreck and rubble, can you see the land? For many more children to be buried in. I can't pinpoint just where we went wrong. How many more graves between wreck and rubble. Can you see the land for many more children to be buried in? I can't pinpoint just where we went wrong.
Hi.
Hi.
You okay?
I'm good, I'm fine.
You don't look fine.
It's just a bad day.
Perhaps you need someone to talk to. Hey,
You don't want to talk to me.
why not?
Never want for problems.
I'm all ears. Tell me, what are the issues you're having?
I don't have no money and them just fire me.
So, hold on. So, the foundation of the problems that you're having is money.
So everybody problem is money. Me rent one pay, me owe people in my community. Me can't go back home because I don't know Omega reach them. Fire me. Them no want give me the money. Sir, go on.
Let me just correct you right there. Everyone's problem is surely not money. What's the sum that's having you like this? What's the amount that would solve your problems?
Sir, please.
Hey. Sometimes God places angels in our presence.
God angel that knows I need money. So you just attack. I want money. I want to go home. I don't know. I'm hungry. I don't know.
We're trying to ascertain how we can come to some resolution or some sort of understanding, so we can assist how we can. So I'm going to ask you again. What's the amount?
US?
If it's US, then
You can't afford that because I'm owe for 3 months rent.
3 months. Okay.
I'm owe somebody in my community. I don't know how I go back. I can't get no money out of the bank. Them fire me without
So
pay.
I'm asking you, what's the amount? If you could just
$150,000.
$150,000.
For now.
That would solve all your problems.
For now. I think.
Here. Let's have a drink.
Sir, I'm not thirsty. I'm hungry. I'm not thirsty.
Let's have a drink.
Yeah, kidnap me.
I promise I won't kidnap you. What are we never thirsty?
Well, you know, after talking and telling everything, eventually I got thirsty.
I totally understand.
But you never tell me name?
Oh, I'm Ron the boy.
Okay, Ron. I'm Renee.
Yes, nice to officially meet you.
So yes.
You know, after listening to, all you've been through, I've been moved to, bless you. Sometimes God places angels in our path, as I was trying to explain earlier. But we can't be too stuck in the moment or in what we're going through to not be able to see the helping hand that's, trying to reach out. So, hold on a second. So, for some reason, I had this in the vehicle from one. I withdrew it. I wasn't sure why, but the Lord works in mysterious ways. So, here you go. That's $250,000. After listening to all that, anything you need, you can always call upon me. I'll be more than willing to assist any way I can.
Thank
Yes.
you so much.
Not a problem.
This is really going to assist me.
All right, so I'm about to leave now. You want me to drop you home? Or?
No, not home, but at least at the bus stop, if that's okay.
I mean, okay, that's fine. You know, so that what? Big tree, good for you.
Yeah, that's okay. I can get something from there.
All right, no problem. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. As I said, don't feel afraid. Just let me help you out in any way I can. You know, you have my number. You can always call me at any time.
You get home safe.
Yeah, man.
Make sure call that one here, because I can't bother him, you know. I'm miserable, calm. Mr. Cornwall? Calm down, no man. Call me and call if you pay, so I have your money. I have the full rent, payment in full, so tomorrow morning I make sure say you get everything. I don't need for trick you, Mr. Cornwall. You know, this place is for your rent, so make sure so I get everything.
That's off the phone.
You're back now, man. I move like you know what I know, so you think I'm not down a town you there. Don't hook around and smile now. Smile and wave, man. You know, what? Cheddar active, man. You have money. Like that, man. I tell you, man. Like you know me, man. What about this? Keep your head so, yeah. When you move off, don't move. Later, yeah.
Tell the man say I have your money. Thank you, Jesus. 2 more minutes and reach me yard.
It's Renee.
Who that?
It's a Cornwall.
They can't come in.
Afternoon.
Yeah.
I hear some commotion about the light cutting.
Yeah.
And looking at things, me I see say it cut. You know, say nothing to me.
Mr. Cornwall, I'm in the war today. So if you come with war, go back this war. JPS cut the light.
You know what me hate, boy? Me just hate how you love play blame game. You know, me I talk to you, I tell me about you know, in an argument. Am my place, you know?
Mr. Cornwall, with all due respect, your voice gone a level 3 and I don't really like that. As me I said earlier, JPS come and cut the lights yesterday. Me that plea with them and tell them say Friday, but them say them can't eat about 4 Friday no more. So I don't know.
Like a joke thing you depend on. Me not have this time for waste, you know. You call me say I have the word, but when me come like the place in the darkness. So where I tell me say you don't have my money now.
Mr. Cornwall, please.
Mr. Cornwall. When me did tell her work a deal with me, what you did say? That's just my money, more.
They can just come inside, please, so we can have a conversation.
Me no want do this. Me no want hold a conversation. And money upon my mind. And my mind upon my money. That's all me upon right now. Me no want hold a conversation with you. But me do want raise. Me do want hold reason with you. What you tell me, say? Me married. You married and Ray.
Just come have a seat and Mr. Carnell and make a reason or something.
Talk to me, boy, money.
Mr. Carnell, I have way need. Just have a seat.
Man, but a reason I can't manage, you know. You have what I need, yeah. But you know, play hopscotch with it.
See, I go stand up what they say. I go make you really do this today. Today, pan a day when my hot and eat it, I don't really have the time for that. You go come sit down and you go out this and run off your mouth.
One reason with you about it, I joke to you,
That's what you really think? The time hot like me say, I can't bother with you.
Christmas coming, huh? Me. Woohoo! See here, baby. Tonight is the night. Christmas coming, baby.
So before we start all of this, how much months rent you think that can get me?
At least 6 months, my baby.
6 months?
Yeah. If you do it good, about a year or two, fuck, you live here for free. All your life.
That's what I like to hear.
Yeah. So, just I want for your rent.
What?
The rent.
Which rent?
Really?
Me not just pay you the rent.
Must say I drink mud puss piss or something.
Mr. Cornwall, you can't serious.
Huh?
So you just dig up my underneath and still want money?
Oh, joke, baby. A joke where I run. What you take this thing for?
But Mr. Cornwall,
Mr. Cornwall, what?
You tell me 6 months and you say if we do it right, you're going to give me an ear.
Oh, so me alone give you lyrics?
I can't believe you, Mr. Cornwall.
Me can't believe you either.
You tell me so
You
6
expect
months.
this can't pay my bills?
Yeah, but what have a deal? You tell
We
me
have a
you
deal.
give me 6 months.
How many
You're not
persons you have
operating.
deal with? Come on. You got it. Can't take that from you. But, my rent. Catch up on the other side. We'll link up.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Rona call me, I can't answer the man. God go with you. Come on, know where you take me. If you think you're one of them careless girls, so because you see young girl, you believe so you're going to fling nobody here. I get my pride.
I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. What you doing here? You know what? No, come. I need to talk to you. Come on. Come, I need to talk to you. Come. I really can't believe it. Them places are enough for you. Unless it is a case where you definitely take me for an idiot.
That's not the case, Ron.
Did you just tell me a story so I just, with my kind heart? No, man, I don't understand. I can't. What you doing here?
So you really think I tell you a story, Ron?
That's how it seems because here you are now. Remember, I gave you $250,000. That's more than what you would have needed to cover all the expenses and all the problems that you had. So what's happening now?
While I'm grateful for that, immediately after you dropped me off at the bus stop to get the bus to go, somebody just walk up and take everything. I was on the phone with my landlord telling him so happy that I can pay the rent finally. And that's when somebody come and take everything.
Hold on right there. So you're telling me that after I gave you the money, someone just randomly saw you and just robbed you of that money?
Ron, do you know where you let me off that night?
No, but
it's a dangerous place.
You suggested that I left you off there. I asked if you want me to drop you home. You said no.
Yeah, and you gladly let me off, so clearly you never care.
How would I forcefully bring you to your home when I don't know where you live?
It's not forcefully, but at least you just give me that amount of money. At least persuade me and say, Renee, come in the car and let me take you home. You let me off at a dangerous spot. Me a female.
So it's my fault?
That's not what I'm saying. Don't put words in my mouth. Can I go back and make money, please?
So why you never just call me?
It's not like me never want to call you. I did have like...
I told you, anything you need, just call me.
Yeah, Ron, you not understand. This is Jamaica. A man take up 250,000 get a woman now one night where him not know nothing about him, never sleep with her. And me I go call her the same night and say, oh, the money gone. You got real, as we just call me scammer. I could have just call you and tell her the money gone.
I would have preferred you called me and tell me the money gone. Rather than seeing you on back road. You know? This place of all places.
At least I'm working at honest bread.
So you've been here since...
It's my first night. I don't even get anybody to stop. It's my first night. You're the only one that stop, and this is the embarrassment that you bring down.
Alright, tell you what. Come with me. You don't need to be at this place. This time, I'm taking you straight. And tomorrow we'll clear it. So, can I have an important call to me, but I need some charge. Where can plug this in? I need to get some charge on the phone.
Be so for real now, Rowan.
What?
You take me for idiot? I tell him I don't have no light. I tell him say JPS got the light.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry it slipped me. Okay,
you realize a natural breeze me if I use me can't turn on the fan, me not have no light.
It's fine. I'll just wait until I get home. Just hopefully your landlord he gets here soon so we can just get this thing sorted out and everything.
So you left your yard with a dead phone?
You know how long I do it, Mango?
And that's a very sweet one.
What is it? Is it?
Good afternoon, Miss Renee.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So you couldn't just enter more pleasant like a human being if you come with your face bent up like it under pressure?
And my money I come from, I come for and talkings with you.
And your money you go get?
So?
Alright, Mr. Cornwall, is it right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm just here to have things settled. So what's the total amount that she's owing you?
You never tell him how much?
Can you just answer the
man? You never tell him.
She said, hold on. She said 3 months, but I'm not sure of the amount. I don't know how much.
50 times 3. 50, 100, 150.
Alright, so it's 150,000.
You're lucky if you get.
Alright, man, calm down.
You say sorry for Margaret dog, then turn around by it. You know, because I never sorry for this crow bait.
No, but she's not even Margaret.
I get TV and me! Sure.
Alright, sir, Mr. Cornwall, yes. Tell you what. Just send me the account.
She have me account, give man me account number, let me get my money and go on, no?
You just send me the accounting details so I can just pay him off.
Hey, me glad the Sabbath coming up. Mr. Tom,
No man, you don't need
to buy weekend.
You don't need to get vexed, man. We're going to sort this out, man.
Let's send it wrong.
Hold on.
Let him come in here with him embarrassed.
No man, it's alright. Him just upset. Hold on.
I'm hungry, I'm hungry.
Hungry for me money, where?
Alright, man, alright.
Hey.
Just come on already. Alright.
Father.
We're going to talk here.
I know me no hear being, you know.
Just give it a second.
Come in a people place and can't pay rent. And they have this thing.
Alright,
Hey.
there you go. Cash your account. I just sent you $200,000.
I want 50 more when you send them over
No
so
man,
much
we
money
just
for.
give him something for him troubles. So that's $200,000.
Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Wait, hold on. So just letting you know, she has some furniture and stuff like that. You can keep those. Renee, go get your important documents.
That's it?
You leave.
Chili. That's it. My brother. That's it.
Yes, man.
Believe.
Alright, yes.
Believe. That's it.
So, Ron, I really have to ask, how you come by all of this? Like, what kind of job you do?
Well, I'm into real estate. I own a couple properties and I have a couple car marts as well. Project development, like a new plaza.
Babe, I can't believe you did all this for me.
Come on, man, that's nothing. You know me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. He's a damn fool. Tell me something. He's a killer or he's a fool?
Babe, good night. Can we talk?
Hold on. This is Capone. He works for me. Just give me a few minutes. We're going to talk business. I'll be up shortly. Just give me some time.
Don't take too long. I'll be waiting.
Yeah, man. How the hell I ask you to kill someone and you think it makes sense to kill the same person upon the same property with my name attached to it? My property you kill the man. How that makes sense? Shut your blasted mouth. When police now start to dig up and when they ask for the surveillance footage, they want to see your blasted face on the camera. And everybody knows that it's me you're affiliated with. Capone, if you have sense, man. Shut your blasted mouth, Mr. Man. I think it's that Benz that I buy you one day, It'll get to your head. You're not focused to the word, just girl and front tail the business with common sense.
Yeah, so that
Shut your blasted mouth, I say. I know I'm going to do. I know what I'm going. I'm going to make you start ride about that damn young you used to ride up and down. Bring you back down, man, because you're not operating on the level that, I would find acceptable.
Can't do black, how much people I kill for him, general, and put myself.
We'll kill them properly. No, it's a good thing. Me and the superintendent is good like that. I'm going to have to talk to them. To get them to just not, request those footage. Because once that gets to the media,
General, it now reach this, it's a thing big,
God.
Yeah. See it. But, bossy, man, I tell you, I just, the way how it really happened, bossy. You see what I say? Because, to tell you the truth, I never did want to analyze him there, so bossy. You see what I say? I just the temper when we did in and you see me, I just do the way you tell me, say, yo, just get rid of this man, because this man come make a problem to you.
Listen. When I hired you, I didn't hire a killer. I hired a murderer. You know the difference? A murderer make it happen when they want it to happen, where they want it to happen. A killer just kill it anywhere just because they can kill you. But I want a murderer. You know what? Just leave my place. Leave my place!
General, I mean, I really talk to some general. I must have kill people for you, no bossy.
Listen, I have dozens more of you. Go on, man. You just pissing me off in the day.
Alright, remember my name, General. Same good man, yeah.
Have a good man, take back the Benz. Yes. No, man, just tell him that you come to 93. Dubois. Him know me, man, him know me. Coming. Hold on. Oh God, come. See, man, listen to the heat have you, man.
What's up?
How are you doing?
I am wonderful.
Alright, so I've been set up over here. Oh, Renee, this is Jennifer that you've been hearing me talk to. She's my secretary. She deals with all my financials and stuff like that. Give me a
Hi,
second.
Jennifer. Hi. I've heard so many things about you.
Really?
Nice to meet you. I'm going back to cooking, right?
Okay. What's for
Alright.
dinner?
Yeah, glad to see that you two girls have formally introduced yourselves. Alright, so what is happening now?
Alright, so the listing as you request, St. Callisto.
Yeah.
They say it's newly constructed luxury villa, and the price we're looking at is 5.2 million US dollars. Total acreage 5.2 acres, living space 8,100 square feet. You have 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms full and 2 halves.
So, like, what's the location? Or like, where is this set up?
This is basically a Caribbean island, so it's kind of secluded.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so what was the final asking price that they have? The asking
That's
price.
it, the 5.2
5.2.
million USD.
You think you could have squeezed them a bit, bring them to like a 5?
Well,
you can do it, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, so yeah, man. You can do it, man.
I most definitely will.
Alright, so bring them down to 5, and we should be good with that one.
Alright, no problem. Renee, I was asking you what's for dinner. You didn't hear me?
Oh, I heard you.
So why didn't answer me?
I'm cooking chicken.
What kind of chicken?
Just chicken.
Thanks again, Jennifer. Excellent job as usual.
My pleasure.
Jennifer, a second. I was thinking, I think we could discuss it further, over dinner. I know this excellent spot.
Mr. Dubois, why does this feel like you're inviting me on a date?
No, not a date. Just a friendly meetup. So we could have a more in-depth conversation.
I'll definitely think about it. I'll have to think about it.
Okay.
Hey, I tell you, the Lord really works in mysterious ways. You know, a little more I tell Jennifer to stay for dinner, you know. Boy, it's a good thing to backside. You taste the food?
Yes, it's great.
This tastes like dog food. How you mean this tastes presentable to you? This is like a stranger?
Rowan, please, I'm not in the mood for the excitement. Just eat and enjoy.
No, man, this don't taste good none at all,
You
man.
want to taste it from my plate?
I don't want to taste the next spoon of this.
So why you behaving like that, Rowan?
Jesus. Yeah, so I was telling Jennifer that it would make any sense for me to, purchase that property because of the location. Yes, it's a damn bad investment. No, man, I wouldn't even. Hold on. Let me call you back. Jesus Christ, God Almighty. Jesus Christ. Renee? Renee? Renee?
Yes, my love.
Give me a minute, please.
Yes, baby, you call me?
Yes. You watched this, right?
I did.
You're familiar with this kind of fabric?
What do you mean it's just clothes?
This material, you don't wash it, right? You bring this to the dry cleaners. You know how much this costs?
Rowan, can you lower your voice, please?
No, I don't think you understand, you know. You see this shirt? You can buy 3 of that dry old piece of wig you have on your head.
Rowan!
Look how you mess up the shirt.
I'm
You
sorry.
know what? It's fine. It's fine.
I'm
It's all right.
sorry, I was just trying to do something nice for my man.
It's okay. It's okay. It's as I said, just a shirt. It's fine. We're good.
You're upset.
No, man. We're good, man. We're good. It's just a shirt. Come on. I won't kill up for that. Just a shirt.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Just a shirt.
Do I love you?
Yeah, yeah, you can watch some TV and soon come.
Okay, baby.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, man. So, what car are you driving? No, man. Remember, it's a prestigious event and you can't just go jailing. You have to, no, man, you have to go like a M7, your BMW M7, yes. Of course, they bring my plus one. You know my style already. Yeah, man. Alright, we talk. Oh, man. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, man, I left out my boy for left out now. So.
Babe, you were just going to leave without saying anything? Without me?
Hold on. I'll go and call you back. Yeah, what you said? What you said?
You were just leaving without me. What's that? Am I not your plus one?
Oh, I never know you was interested in coming, man. You did. I never know you want to come, babes.
What do you mean by that? Aren't we together? You're going out, so why would you leave me inside?
Babe, I honestly never think you'd be interested because these events, they, have a different kind of vibe or aesthetic.
So what are you trying to say? I don't fit the part?
No, what I'm saying. I'm gonna tell you this. This event is a prestigious event. Me can't just pull up with anybody.
But
Go back in the house.
I thought I was the
Go
woman.
back in. Go back in the house. So,
Enjoy your evening.
enjoy the house.
Can't believe you chose me as your plus one. So what's gonna happen to Renee?
Running a yard close.
All of our dreams scattered here like fallen leaves till I can't breathe. All of our dreams scattered here like fallen leaves till I can't breathe.
Oh, Jesus. 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 Renee?
No. Why did you stop from enjoying the show, baby?
No, you didn't ever see any.
I think I didn't know you were
Christ,
cheating on me.
man.
With your friggin' secretary, you
Hey.
scum!
Ready. Calm down yourself, man. Just hold on.
How could you do this to me? How could you do that to me, Ron?
Ready. Just try to understand, man. Remember, you know.
Understand?
No, well, I know. Remember, I'm a high value man, you know. You can't expect, say, I just want to have one woman alone.
I understand, Ron. I understand.
Yeah.
I do.
I know you have sense, you know. I know you don't understand, man.
I fuck
Jesus Christ! Ready? Just try to understand. Just calm down, no, man.
But why you gotta be a friggin' secretary, Ron?
Because we have the same schedule. Just calm down, no, man, and we'll talk. We can reason, no, man. Just have a little decency, no, man. Just. All right. Tell you what. I'm going to buy you something sweet, something nice. All right? How that sound?
So you want a side woman, Ron? How would you feel if I had a side man?
Which side, man? I am all the man you need. I'm taking care of all your needs. You don't need nobody else. Just come down, man. Just wait. Renee.
That's the last straw, Ron.
What do you mean last straw?
I'm done.
Done.
I'm done. You know?
What do you mean done?
I'm done, Ron.
Done.
Goodbye.
But where are you going to go? I don't think you realize, you know, the opportunity that I presented you. When I found you, you know, remember you don't have nothing going on for you. Hungry like dog, it's I save your life. If you know what I know, you find somewhere downstairs, go drink a cool glass of ice water and calm down your nerves. But leave me. Leave me? You're mad? Out of order. Go on downstairs.
All of our dreams scattered here like fallen leaves till I can't breathe. All of our dreams scattered here like
Right.
Go on.
Oh, are you?
I'm sorry, Ron, come check though.
I'm not there, I know.
So long before him reach.
About the next 5 to 10 minutes, I'm just gonna need this. Come in, no? Come in and wait for him.
Never you plan for stay, I'm still, you know.
It not take long, you know them man already. A long time I not see you there, good?
Yeah, man, I'm good. Are you good?
Well, I don't know. If I say I'm good in about, you know, I'm not really so 100, but I don't hold it.
See, you post it up on Instagram, them say like, it don't all look good though.
That's a face, but trust me, you know so 100. Yeah, everyone close though.
Yes.
Jim not tell us that we have issues.
Issues? Good issues?
I don't know the issues are good. You run treat me like shit.
No, sir, but I don't really see that.
That's like, the thing, him not gonna make me see it. Him deal with me away.
No,
Him
but,
make me feel like me and the woman of the yard. That's why him deal with me. Him not deal with me good.
Judge. I just feel like say yo, Rowan just. You see me, I just saw them man they stay there, bro, cause watch this time, bro. Some of the time me and them man they work together and me and I leave and talk to Rowan. And Rowan come like him 8
yeah, but you, that's how you're a man, me I'm woman. I split me and I'm supposed to deal with me that way. I know him have other woman on the road and that's something I can't control, but at least you give me that respect, they don't give me that. The man make me feel like shit, brother. She don't even know.
John, I'll start. So you plan to do about that?
A circumstances, somebody else is doing that. Boy, she don't even know, man.
No,
Circumstances. It got my way, I just get up and left one day. Cause my mother not grow up, so I'm not supposed to sing and make the man deal with me, so brother.
No, but what me insisting, it's like, the man I really deal with now. You're in a nice house and them something with them.
That's how everybody see. Everybody see big picture and I see it there. Big house. Yeah. Nice kitchen. The flat screen TV. It all belong to me.
You know. But what me insist the man treat you good and everything, you see it. The man give everything you really want.
That's everything. Him not give me exactly what I need. A man can give a woman if she want. When I really need, Ron not do that. Ron not angle me. You know how much days me in there, so I feel like me at the TV on the wall. I don't even know. Like me have furniture in the house. The man not even touch me.
Joke thing, but I don't expect the man to have a nice, clean, thick, sharp thing girl like you. And not pay no man. No, sir, I don't think the boss have a lapse them way.
I think so too.
You think so?
But him not do it. Sure not deal with me or a thing. You know how much nights I me alone for warm that bed there? It don't really matter what I put on. The man don't look for me and yo.
What do you mean by no matter what you put on? You look so good.
The man don't look for me and that me make you know. The man don't look for me, the man don't touch me. I mean I feel force myself and run. Me and run there I watch TV right now. I mean I feel say babes watch it.
Jesus Christ.
Sorry.
So you don't feel this? You don't feel like anything, sir?
Sorry.
Sorry for. I feel like so you're run a laps around just. You see it?
How am I look to you? Be honest, because I am friend. Be honest. How am I look to you?
I know what I tell you.
I look like a woman in a sip on the road and you don't know nothing about you that they with.
I mean, right now I'm there with them, I tell you the truth. Boss me there for life, I tell you.
Yeah, I just said that because, I mean...
What I mean by I say I just say that? But you know say you look good, because you just have to say you look good, so why? So why I
can't say it, I must believe it.
On them soft though.
Yeah, I don't tell them soft.
Oh, it's soft.
I can't show you better how I can tell you.
So you can't go, you can't go. Jesus Christ. So I'm going to run off you about this stuff.
Why you always run? The man I'm here. Oh, you don't feel comfortable where you run by you?
No, so why you say that I feel comfortable, I'm fully comfortable. I'm a black queen like you.
For a reason, right, actually, because it's just saying no one about it.
I don't want that.
Have a seat. You going to stand up and talk to me? You remember it's a while ago, if you see me up on the road, that's an ordinary girl, you know, go like put argument to me. You mean that?
I mean that.
Argument as well?
Pressure, the upper pressure.
You just don't wonder like, well, at that I mean I still want a man anger my body and you go down in it.
It's coming like a gorilla glue.
Well look on this. So why you never catch my bumper better than that?
No, because I must say you have a tattoo that they say, you know, so I don't want the tattoo go show.
Yeah, but at last time my eyes sit up so you could have catch it, you should have set the phone away.
John, I know so you just call me and put in work. So
you want to hold around too and catch it better?
Right now. kept man. Right now I'm tired still.
You know, I really want to ask you though. I feel like I can't trust you, because any man want my legs, I'm supposed to can't reason with them, you understand?
Alright, go on.
What you really do for one? Anything me I talk about, I say for stay. What you really do for him? Because I know say something I go on and I like me to know. So I take me for an idiot right now.
See, tell you the truth. And everything's for talk still, you know, but let me tell you, you see me as a youth where if you really notice how me and Rowan par, is it?
You're on the close.
Yeah. Alright, me as a youth like say yo, I do some work for Rowan, is it? And my response for you them. Is it?
Brother.
The tool them.
Me, we don't stop him before you go no further. I mean in the street. So I know you talk to me in a code. Parables are in Jesus time, a different settings now. I know why you talk to me in a code. Talk to me like a real youth.
Alright. You know say I mean all of the illegal thing them, I mean like the gun them, is it? I mean send the youth them pan work. Is it? I mean collect the thing them from WAF and them thing there, is it? Yeah, any boy with this and them thing, any boy with this run and them thing there. Is it? Me just get rid of them, is it? Anything illegal, money, anything we go feed, we do it, is it?
Yeah man, hit man, right on.
Yeah, that's so.
But they don't say something up with Rowan, you know. Because I know say an ordinary man could just afford all of this. But they know.
I mean, I mean tell them man.
So the whole lot take me for idiot. I'm going to ask you something. The woman named Jennifer. I work for Rowan. What do you know about her?
I don't say I don't really know nothing about her, but I just want to say yo, she just deal with all paperwork and fraud. Yeah. I don't really know nothing about her like that, to tell you the truth.
So you don't know if she and Rowan are things, if them there?
No, you know, so I couldn't know that. Tell you the truth, I can't know that today.
Yeah man, bro code, they're not going to tell me that. So which part she come from? Where she live?
One thing still I talk to me aggressive though still, but you know say she live at 21 Sundown Crescent, right side of the church, right in front of the big church. Yeah. You see me? It's like a residential area, you can't just garden place this. And if she not did it so, she always up on one studio, up on every day.
I got by my side when we step a road. Me never fear for step alone. Me and my weed and my Guinness by myself as one. Me never lose my way, me never forget.
You always say I go like, I don't want to come bother everything them there, babes. I know I can't do it, you know. I want to come put some more money in the song for me, as I say. Go on in there, boot make a body top. Stop shy out, I go like a shy too much, you know. Well, I say for one about dog them circle.
Oh, that a bit long place like a police, sir.
Good day.
Good day, all gone.
Jennifer, I come to she inside.
Yeah, my wife and Jennifer.
Wife?
Mm-hmm.
Tell her I want her friend, man. A long time I see her. So that girl are married. Alright, Jennifer, I could say it gonna. Jennifer! Long time when I catch up, girl. Come. Come, no, girl, you know we have to catch up. Look how long I see you.
How am Renee? Oh, you're fine, yourself.
Oh, wow. Surprise? Not to worry. I Renee, my name. I know everybody there.
So what now?
Don't worry yourself. I come here to give you a warning. I know you're in a fraud. And I know you're the money laundering for Rowan. Oh, wow, you're surprised. Yeah, man, I know. So here I go on now. I go on your left Rowan. You know why your neighbor them here? I don't come here for create excitement. I want you left, my man. 20 million at the account. But I ask you, I tell you sir that I want.
20 million, Renee?
I never stutter. When you take my money, did ask no question. Is either that or you lose the license. You are going to lose your license and jail time. And I sure you know why your husband. I wonder if your husband know your skin out for my man.
You can't stop that.
No, you did stop when you take my man. When I take people on for know what you do, you girl.
Yeah, I'm going. What's up with thing, man? What's that to there, read now? We'll get it done now.
Oh, sunrise, promise you'll take your time as you kiss the sky.
Finally,
with your golden light, I'm not ready to call it a night. So, sunrise, no need to rush. The warmth of his touch is more than.
Thank you. Can't believe this is mine. Finally. Can you imagine? Walking to work, not have no light. And now I own a BMW? Jesus. Who could it be but God? And the $20 million. You know, some ever give figure one. I'm gonna send him later. Right now I need to take a cruise on the highway.
I don't understand this. The bank saying that I did a transfer of 20 mil, but I don't recall making any transfers. Alright, let me just check the transaction history. 20 mil. I could buy me some lunch. Alright. Renee? When me send $20 million to Renee account? Renee, you wouldn't even know the first thing to do with $20 million. You know what? I'm going to talk to Jennifer. Yeah, Jennifer. She can't. Gotta text this now from Renee where she want now. Must be braffing off my millions. Because I can't believe $20 million. What? But Renee? Panabatas?
Honey, I've already packed all my stuff. We're no longer kids, let's move on. And you are not my kid, so I'm done. Please don't make me pull my gun. Sorry, boy, I can't be the one.